Hi everyone, this is Imtiaz with another video, and this time we'll be talking about the ECAP module of C2000 microcontroller F28790. And this module is basically used for applications which require critical timing such as BLDC motors. Here if you look into the datasheet, it provides all the feature of this module in full detail, and if you go through it we can find that it has a 32-bit counter, 4 32-bit timestamp registers, one shot and continuous capture modes. It has also interrupt capability on rising edge and falling edge, and the datasheet also provide information about how to configure it, and you can read it about its configuration and initialization in the datasheet. But since we will be using the Simulink, so it will automatically be initialized and configured by the Simulink, and we just need to set things graphically and that's it. The ECAP module can also be used to generate PWM if not used in capture mode, and the data sheet calls this mode as APWM, which stands for asynchronous PWM. But since we will be only exploring its capture feature, so we will skip it for another video. And then the C2000 microcontroller, as you know, is running at 200 megahertz. So if it is too fast for your application, then you can use a prescaler which is provided in this module, and the prescaler is always in multiple of 2, so it starts from 2 and ends at 62. So if you use a prescaler divider of 2, it will skip every second cycle of the CPU. The signal that is coming into this module can be captured on rising edge and falling edge, as we have discussed it earlier. This is mentioned in the datasheet, where by selecting the proper bit of the configuration register, you can select one of the edge polarities. And the 4 events that we talked about earlier are stored in 4 32-bit registers. These registers are CAP1, CAP2, CAP3 and CAP4. It basically stores the timestamps of 4 events consecutively, and an interrupt is also attached to each event, so you can generate an interrupt and then call a subsequent function by that interrupt. You can also attach it to each of the 4 events. Apart from 4 events, you can also set the interrupt in the case of counter overflow. And here, if we come down here, the datasheet provides some of the examples where we can possibly use the ECAP feature of this C2000 microcontroller. And the first example is you can use it for absolute time measurement on rising edges. It will record the timestamps of the consecutive 4 events before the counter overflows. And the other possible application is you can use it in the delta mode, where you can measure time difference between 2 consecutive events. Both these examples can be achieved on either rising edge or falling edge. You can find the link to a video where I have explained how to configure it and how to use it in Simulink, and the link you can find in the description for that video. So thank you.